In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your TCL Roku TV without the remote control. Now over here I have my 32-inch TCL Roku TV, but it doesn't matter the size or model of TCL Roku TV you have. If you're having any issue with your TCL Roku TV, like the TV is very slow or it's lagging or your remote control is not just working, or for some reasons you just want to bring back the TV as it is when you first bought it brand new, this is a very simple way to factory reset any TCL Roku TV without the remote control. And basically you just want to come over to the back of your TCL Roku TV, and over here you're going to see two buttons. One is actually the power button with the power button label, and just below it you're going to see the reset button over here. I don't know if you can see it very well, but you can literally see the reset label over here, and over here we have the reset button. So what you want to do is to go ahead and get a stick or a pin just like this one. You can as well just go ahead and get a pen that can easily press on the reset button inside of this hole over here. So just go ahead and get something that can enter the hole and then just press and hold it for just 5 seconds. And after the 5 seconds you're going to notice that your TCL Roku TV will restart itself. And as you can see, our TCL Roku TV has now factory reset itself, and the TV has just turned back on by itself once again. Now this is a very good way for you to fix lagging issues on the TV, or if you're having some problems with the TV that you do not know how to fix, you can simply just reset the TV and everything comes as though it is brand new. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.